Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this given radical expression, the square root of 2223 square minus 8888. In the next step, this 2223 square, I am going to write 2222 plus 1 square minus 8888 under root. This is our formula a plus b square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is equal to 2222 square plus 2ab, which is 2 times 2222 times 1 plus b square, which is 1 square minus 8888 under root. So this is equal to 2222 square plus multiply, which is 4444 plus 1 square minus 8888 under root. So this is equal to 2222 square. Combine these two terms. So this is minus 4444 plus 1 square under root. So this is further equal to 2222 square minus this 4444. I am going to write 2 times 2222 times 1 plus 1 square under root. This is again our formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is equal to 2222 minus 1 square under root. This square and this square root will eliminate. So this is equal to 2222 minus 1. So this is 2221. So this is my final answer. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.